Ever opened your fridge to find warm milk and thawed meat because your compressor decided to quit without warning? Ever spent $2,500 on a fancy French door refrigerator only to discover the ice maker has been the subject of multiple class action lawsuits? Same. In this video, I'm ranking refrigerator brands from best to worst using actual service call data from over 33,000 repairs, not sponsored reviews, so you can avoid the money pits and find a fridge that keeps your food cold for more than 4 years. I'll break down which brands have technicians literally refusing to service them, which ones have the best parts availability when something does break, and my top 3 picks that balance reliability with real-world features. Stick around, hit like and subscribe to help more people dodge refrigerator disasters, and check the secure links in the description for a quick buying checklist. The worst buy list. From meh to hard pass. LG, the linear compressor gamble. This one is complicated, and I'm going to give you both sides because the data is genuinely mixed. LG's counter-depth French door refrigerators have the lowest first-year service rate in Yale Appliance's data, which sounds great until you realize that's still the highest, best score of any major appliance category they track. Refrigerators are just hard to make reliable, and LG does better than most in year 1. But here's where it gets messy. LG has faced multiple class action lawsuits over their linear compressor technology, and new lawsuits are still being filed as recently as late 2025. The complaints follow a pattern. Your LG fridge works fine for 3 to 5 years, then one day it just stops cooling without warning. The compressor fails, your food spoils, and you're looking at a $1,500 repair bill or buying a new refrigerator entirely. LG marketed their linear compressor as more efficient and quieter, which it is, and they boasted about 20-year durability and offered a 10-year warranty on the compressor. But attorney filings claim the actual failure rate is far higher than LG disclosed, and the lawsuits include allegations of fraud, arguing that LG knew about the defect and continued selling these refrigerators anyway. My take on this: LG refrigerators work great until they don't. And when they don't, you're in for a very bad time. If you buy LG, you're essentially betting that the compressor lottery lands in your favor. Some people get 10+ years without issues. Others are on their 3rd compressor replacement. The wild variance in owner experiences is the red flag here, not necessarily the average. Samsung, the ice maker that launched 1,000 lawsuits. Every single one of 7 appliance repair experts surveyed advised against buying Samsung refrigerators. Not most of them, all of them. That kind of unanimous condemnation doesn't happen by accident. The ice maker problems are legendary at this point. Samsung French door refrigerators have been hit with class action lawsuits alleging that the ice makers freeze up, stop producing ice, make horrific noises, and leak water. Consumer data shows a 30+% problem rate for water or ice not dispensing from Samsung refrigerators, which is astronomically high. Owners report constant ice buildup around the ice maker, water pooling under crisper drawers, and the need to manually defrost the ice maker every few weeks just to keep it functional. But the ice maker isn't even the worst part. Compressor failures, temperature fluctuations, control board malfunctions, and defrost system problems fill the forums and repair shop records. The service experience compounds the problem. Samsung's customer support is notoriously difficult to navigate, with owners reporting being transferred between departments, promised callbacks that never come, and parts that take weeks to arrive. Independent repair technicians often refuse to work on Samsung appliances because the training is restricted to certified dealer technicians and parts availability for independent shops is poor. Here's a particularly damning detail. According to USA Today, Samsung refrigerators are among the appliances consumers most often report to the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission. That's not a distinction any brand wants. If you want a refrigerator that keeps food cold, produces ice reliably, and doesn't require a troubleshooting manual to operate, look elsewhere. Samsung refrigerators look beautiful in the showroom, and the features list is impressive, but the ownership experience tells a very different story. Smart picks: the best to buy. GE Appliances. Middling reliability, best service network. I'm going to be honest with you here. GE's service rate data isn't great. Yale Appliance shows GE appliances at around 20% for last year, up significantly from about 10% the year before. Those numbers would normally land a brand on the avoid list, so why is GE in my top 3? Service network. GE has one of the deepest appliance service networks in the entire country, which matters enormously when something breaks. And something will break, that's just the reality of modern refrigerators. The question isn't if you'll need service, it's whether you can get it quickly when you do. Most brands outsource repairs or have limited local coverage, leading to wait times that stretch into weeks. GE typically gets technicians to your home faster, has parts in stock more often, and resolves issues more consistently than brands with technically better reliability numbers but worse service infrastructure. When your fridge dies and you're watching $300 worth of groceries spoil, the difference between a 2-day repair and a 3-week repair matters a lot. The GE GNE 27JYMFS is the specific model I'd recommend for most households. It's a 27 cubic foot French door with an internal water dispenser, which eliminates the most failure-prone component, the external dispenser system. The ice maker is still there in the freezer, and ice makers can still fail, but moving the water dispenser inside removes one major failure point. Fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish, LED lighting throughout, spill-proof glass shelves, and 2 humidity-controlled crisper drawers for produce storage. The hiccup is that you're accepting higher odds of needing service in exchange for better service when you need it. For many people, that's actually the smarter bet than buying a statistically more reliable brand with terrible service infrastructure in your area. Whirlpool. Simple design, parts everywhere, repair tech favorite. 4 out of 7 independent repair experts named Whirlpool among the most reliable refrigerator brands, and the reason comes down to philosophy. Whirlpool builds refrigerators that are designed to be repaired. Parts are standardized, widely available, and reasonably priced. Technicians know these machines inside and out because they've been working on variations of the same basic design for decades. Consumer Reports places Whirlpool models at the top of their budget and top freezer rankings for consistent cooling and fewer owner complaints. The Whirlpool WRS 315 SNHB is my pick for a refrigerator that prioritizes reliability over trendy features. It's a 25.1 cubic foot side-by-side, which is already a more reliable configuration than French door models because the design is simpler with fewer failure points. But here's the real reliability win. The ice maker is optional and sold separately. That means this fridge ships without the component that causes 50% of all refrigerator service calls across every brand. If you don't need a built-in ice maker, you've just eliminated half of your potential problems right out of the gate. Adjustable gallon door bins let you move storage anywhere in the door for loading flexibility. LED interior lighting keeps food looking as good as it tastes. Humidity-controlled crisper drawers for produce. Frameless glass shelves that maximize storage on each shelf. And electronic temperature controls up front for easy adjustment. The adaptive defrost system monitors the freezer environment and runs the defrost cycle only when necessary, which reduces temperature swings that cause freezer burn and extends component life. Bosch. Best temperature control, lowest compressor failure rate. If you want the refrigerator most likely to keep your food fresh and least likely to strand you with a dead compressor, Bosch is the answer. Bosch has the lowest compressor failure rate at approximately 0.4%, compared to the industry average that sits uncomfortably higher and some brands exceeding 2.5%. The Bosch B36CL80ENS is the model that earns Bosch its reputation. It's a 21 cubic foot counter-depth 4-door French door refrigerator with their Farm Fresh system, which combines 4 technologies for food preservation that actually work in practice, not just in marketing materials. VitaFresh Pro automatically balances both temperature and humidity with pre-programmed settings for produce, meats, and cheeses. Fresh Protect absorbs naturally occurring ethylene gas to slow ripening. Multi-airflow circulates air evenly, so you don't get hot spots or frozen lettuce in the back corner. AirFresh Filter reduces odors. The result is food that genuinely stays fresh longer, which matters because a refrigerator's job isn't just to be reliable, it's to preserve food. The counter-depth design sits flush with your cabinets for a built-in look without the built-in price tag. Hidden hinges and tucked-away feet complete the clean aesthetic. It's got an internal ice maker in the freezer and Home Connect smart features if you care about that sort of thing. The trade-off is that Bosch's service network isn't as extensive as GE's, so before you buy, verify that service is available in your area. A reliable refrigerator with no local repair options is still a problem when something eventually needs attention. Alright, that's the cold truth. My top 3. Bosch B36CL80ENS for the best temperature control and lowest compressor failure rate if you want premium reliability. Whirlpool WRS315SNHB for a simpler side-by-side design with optional ice maker and excellent parts availability. And GE GNE 27JYMFS if you prioritize service network strength over pure reliability numbers. Which matters more to you? Lowest odds of needing repair or fastest repair when you need it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit like and subscribe for more appliance guides that skip the sponsored nonsense, and check the secure links in the description for the latest discounts. Stay safe and keep it valid.